Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a Python program to find the common elements between two lists. Okay, so first I will take first list as list 1 and take it as an input. List map int comma input and enter list 1 here, and here I will take another list 2. Okay, and enter list 2 here. Separate all the elements by what? A space. So split parenthesis, here also split parenthesis. Okay, so here I will take a for loop for I in list 1, and here I will add a condition. If this I is present in list 2, then we will append that element in list 3, which is empty list. Okay, here I will add a condition. If I is in if I in list 2 means, if I in list 2 means that element is common, then we will append that element in list 3, so we will get the list where where all the common elements will be there. So here I will append list 3 dot append what? I, and outside the loop I will just print list 3. Okay, so let's run the code. Take list 1 to be 3 8 7 1 2. Enter. 0 9 8 6 7. So enter. 8 and 7 common elements are 8 7 8 7. Okay, we got the list of common elements of list 1 and list 2. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.